Imagine the symphony of flavors dancing on your palate as you bite into a hot, crispy French fry, smothered in a rich, sumptuous gravy and dotted with soft, melting cheese curds. This, dear listeners, is poutine, the culinary gem of Quebec, Canada. A comfort food that warms the soul, poutine is a sublime blend of textures and tastes, a delight for the senses. The journey to creating this Canadian masterpiece begins with selecting the right potatoes. Starchy russet potatoes are ideal, their fluffy interior crisping up perfectly when fried. Each potato is hand-cut into thick, hearty sticks, ready to be transformed into golden, crispy fries. Next, the crucial element, cheese curds, the lifeblood of poutine. These are not just any cheese curds, but fresh, squeaky ones. They should be so fresh that they squeak against your teeth when bitten into. These curds, when scattered atop the hot fries, melt ever so slightly, creating a creamy, delightful contrast to the crunch of the fries. Then comes the heart of the dish, the gravy. A rich, deeply flavored chicken or veal gravy is typically used, though a robust vegetable gravy can also be a great choice for vegetarians. The gravy should be thick, velvety, and rich, cascading over the fries and cheese curds, enveloping them in a blanket of savory goodness. The assembly of poutine is a delicate art. The hot, crispy fries form the base, a bed for the cheese curds to nestle into. The curds, in turn, melt slightly from the heat of the fries, creating pockets of creamy delight. The final touch, a generous ladle of the rich gravy, is poured over, seeping into every crevice, melding the fries and cheese curds into a dish of utter delectability. So what makes poutine so special? It's the harmony of textures and flavors. The crispiness of the fries, the creaminess of the cheese curds, the richness of the gravy. Each component is crucial, each ingredient lending its character to the dish. Poutine is a testament to the magic that happens when simple ingredients come together in perfect harmony. In summary, poutine is more than just a dish, it's an experience. From selecting the right potatoes, to choosing fresh, squeaky cheese curds, to creating a rich, velvety gravy, every step in the process is essential. The result is a comfort food like no other, a dish that is crunchy, creamy, and rich, all at once. Poutine, a true street food icon of Quebec, Canada, is a culinary journey worth embarking on.